Welcome to this playlist on engine guys. In this playlist we are going to model this piston cylinder assembly in SOLIDWORKS, and this is the motion study analysis. We are also going to create exploded view for this piston cylinder assembly as well. We are going to start from modeling all of these parts, then we are going to assemble, then we are going to create motion study analysis, and then we will create this exploded view. And this is the piston, and I'm going to show you each and every part that we are going to create in this whole playlist. This is partial part of the connecting rod, and this is connecting rod, and then we have this crankshaft. We are going to model this as well, and after that we are going to model this piston ring. And after modeling all of these parts, then we are going to assemble and create motion study analysis and exploded view. See you in the next video guys.